So basically, what are the steps like? We have to add a table view with by using the bundle identifier. Number two, step two is called to create an outlet for for table view. And number three is like adapt and confirm the UI table with data source. And step four is data source delegate data source and register for the UI table view cells. And step five is called to update the UI table view data source methods and implementation for that. So let's start. Go to the main storyboard. In the storyboard there is a view controller screen is there. In this screen we have to add the UI table view element. So click on the library, and those are the objects like label, image, stepper, text field and everything. So I am using the table view. Let's drag and drop the table view. So then we have to connect between UI table view and view controller, connection between two outlet connection. Data source method and delegate method. So we have to give the outlet connection for UI table view to the view controller. And after I am creating by using the MVC model view controller. I'm click on the file and click on new file and go to the Cocoa Touch class. Next, and by using the subclass we have to use the UI table view. Class name anything, my table view class. I have given spelling mistake, so that I am next, and you have to give the path for that. You can save anywhere. Then it is created by using the UI table view. So first we have to declare the array for that, empty array, like empty array, or we can by using the empty array we can get the API response and we can assign for that. I am giving a static array for that, where my array equal to apple, Paul, cat, dog, elephant, fan, everything. And this is array I have declared. Then we have to give the data source method and delegate method for that. in the model view class I am giving the data source and delegate method. It is a protocol required methods UI table delegate methods UI table view data table view data source method. Then it will be show the required method for the table UI table view. So these are the two required methods for the table view to display the data. So then before we have to create a reload the data for the function, because of in in view controller we can call that function and we can pass that array into the model view class by using the UI table view, and we can display that array by using the my table view class. So function reload reload table view with the data, and we are passing with the return function type array with data. We are passing array by using the ns array method, and with content view controller or view. We are passing the data from which controller we are giving, like that UI view controller. So we are declaring a empty array by using ns array, and we are creating a self view controller, which controller, like present controller. So and we are giving the passing array to the array. with the data equals to array, and we are giving the controller present view controller. With content controller, and we are passing the delegate method. We are calling the data source method and delegate methods. Data source equal to self, and delegate methods, delegate method dot, we are calling the delegate methods, and we are reloading that to table view in self class. So we are assigning the array to the class, and we have to give the connection to the view controller to the class, outlet connectivity connection to the table view to the class. Table view so we are loading the array to the view controller class, table view class, table view dot reload sorry, I have given the mistake. For that, my table view class, we have to give the name to the story table view class, naming for table view, my table view class. Then after we have to connect, we have to give the outlet connection to the UI table view. We have to remove the previous any connection is there like that. Then we have to call the table view dot reload, then we have to register to the UI table view to the class. Dot register registered cell class UI table view cell dot self purpose and reuse for the class reusable identifier. I will give the y reusable identifier. we are passing the array to the table view controller. My array as ns array, and we are giving the controller name. In this class only we have to display, now that we are giving only self class. So UI table view data source methods. These are the table view data source method. Number one, like number of rows in section, and self row at index means number of rows section means, I mean, suppose of in table view we can show the number of sections. In the section, number of rows in a section. Sorry, I will repeat again. In table view we can display the number of sections. In section we have to give the number of rows, so that is number of rows in section, and we are passing by using the array count, array dot count. So it will be display the based on the array count, it will be give the number of rows in section. Cell for row at index means, I mean, in cell how many rows are there, and it will be display the data. Let cell equal to table view dot deq reusable identifier for index. We have to give the same identifier, same reusable identifier for cell. For index path, then cell dot text label dot text equal to array index path dot row as string. We are displaying as a string. Return type we have to give that return we have to give cell. So this is table view data source method. These are the two methods. Mainly, what are the questions, interview questions they will be asked, like what are the data source methods in table view, like number of rows in section or cell for row index, number of sections, and these are the three required methods for the table view. Under delegate methods, like I did select row index path and everything, and row for height index, title for header foot, title for footer, footer and header and footer foot, everything. I will give the full details what are the data source method and delegate methods. So I will run for that, and next scenario I will show that. These are the, like, I mean, no problem, just it will give the instruction for us. I will show the data source methods. What are the data source methods in table view? What simulator is running, so that I am showing that data source method. What are the data source methods in table view? What is Dickey reuseful identifier means? According to them, when we returns the reuseful identifier used to similar rows in a table view, I mean we are using number of objects in a displayed in the same table view. Like I mean DQ reuseful identifier, when we returns the reuseful table view cell for object, I mean it allocated by the identifier. It is within the same identifier we can use the table view cell. Data source methods are like number of rows in section, self row index, and number of sections. These are the uh, data source method. Up to here, data source method. More, I mean, more. Sorry, self row index, title for header section, footer section, and title for header section, footer section. These are for table source methods. and we can find out the delegate method. These are the delegate methods, like uh, items for beginning session, and drag and drop items for adding session, did for select row at index, and everything in the for the delegate methods. So we have display that apple, cat, ball, cat, dog, elephant, fan, and goat, everything in table view. So mainly what is difference between table view and table view segments? In the table view, it will be show the default, like text for text title for label, and details for label only, and the image it can be default for the table view. According to the table view cell, we can the customize the our we can design the by customs designing pattern, custom design. For table view, it is a default design pattern for the table view. Mainly difference between those: custom design in table view cell, default design in table view. I will give the example for number of section. So we can display the number of section. Uh, we can give the 5. It's display that. Sorry, in written display the 5 sections for that. I have given the 5 sections, so it will display the 5 times: apple, ball, cat, dog, and apple here one, and here one, 3, 4, and 5 are displayed. And we can give the header also for that. Header section for the table view. So we can give like return. So we can display the header section for that. Okay, I will give the next session for the header and footer section. Thanks for giving a lot. Please subscribe to my channel.